All right, so welcome back to the tutorial series on the Dovetail template. So in this part, we're actually going to look at just making this cut here. Really simple thing to do. All we're going to do is basically draw some geometry that's going to work as our kind of cut, if you like, and we'll just extrude that through. Some key dimensions to note here. We've got the 12 millimeters on both sides, and we can see that it comes down 26 millimeters. So without further ado, I've got those numbers jotted down. They are 12 and 26. So let's get into Fusion 360. And we're back here. So what we want to do here is basically to draw a sketch on this surface here, or on that plane there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select that face, and I'm going to pick up my sketcher, and it's going to spin around. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to draw in a rectangle that kind of looks like that to start with. And then I'm going to use my constraints, or my dimension constraint, by hitting D on the keyboard. And I'm going to basically take this side here and measure that to that edge. And I'm going to reference that as being 12 millimeters. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I'm going to make that 12 millimeters. And then I'm going to reference this line here to that top edge there. And that's going to be 26 millimeters. I've got that there. And what I might do here is just make this line here. I'm just going to constrain that. In fact, I'm going to take that there, and I'm going to select this one here, and I'm going to make that, oops, sorry, my mistake. Let's do that again. I'm going to take that point there and make that coincident. So that's just equal there, if you like. So I'm just going to go back and actually do that part again there. You'll notice when I selected that, I took that line and I took that point, and I make that coincident. That happens. I'm going to finish the sketch. And now I'm just going to simply select that face and cut that through. Now the intent here is that this should be all the way through. So rather than being a distance, I'm just going to say all cut. Okay. And there it is. So that's the first part there, or that first cut done. Get that done. I'll see you in the next video.